Best cycling speed counters. Cycling is undoubtedly one of these sports at the forefront of technology and equipment. You rarely see a cyclist wearing lycra without a computer from a certain description. Keep an eye on the road and look closely where they were and how fast they managed to arrive. Speed meters, odometers, power counters and others may vary mid-range templates to $15 up to $500. But even at the end of the budget, you will have access to speed and basic rhythm. For a little more investment, you can switch from wired wireless, which means that no unsightly thread will spoil the aesthetics of your setting. To take advantage of Bluetooth connectivity, follow the heart rate, monitor burned calories and satellite GPS. You will need to explode the budget. Today, we focus on economic speed meters. All our recommendations cost less than $30, so they will not ruin you, but they will help you follow your progress and the time it took you to go through the distance. Let's go straight to the goal with our best choice product in our selection of 6 of the best speed meters for your money. You will get the best cycling speed counters you can check out below. Our first product is Speed. Shows all important information about speed, such as current speed, maximum speed and the comparison of average, current speed evaluation. All information about the tour is stored and can be viewed in the data center with the help of the docking station fitness trainer. Measurement of calories consumed by biodata and distance traveled technology. Predefined tire sizes. Automatic start, stop. 2 hours in standby mode. Tool-free mounting. Waterproof to IPX8. Our second product is 2020 new design, Solar Energy. With solar panel, it can automatically charge in the sunshine or light, provide extra power to the computer while built-in 2 batteries to keep your ordinary electricity need. Environmental protection. Extend battery service life and save your money. When mounting with the battery of the sensor, please pay attention to points of the power connection. Press the iron piece to make the battery and equipment fully contact. Multi-FUCTIONS and wide applicable. Built-in 22 functions. Works well to measure speed, distance, riding time, calorie counter and etc. Which what any serious bicyclist or fitness fanatic needs. Small size, lightweight and wireless design make it suitable for most types of bicycles. Auto sleep function. After no signal inputs of 300 seconds, the screen will go into a standby sleep mode with LCD clock displays. When you press any button, this cycle computer will automatically wake up and show the data before. When you shake computer, there is something moving inside and the slight rattling of the bike computer is a normal phenomenon and designed for the dervis to get the wireless auto wake-up function. Wireless and waterproof design. Wireless and waterproof design makes it more convenient and durable. Never worried about the complex. Install the wires on your handlebars. No need to worry about rain. Simple installation that only takes a few minutes. Easy to navigate interface with only 2 buttons to access all measurements. Just enjoying while you are riding. Our third product is filled up pointing triangle if there is no signal input within 300 seconds. The on-screen display will enter the standby state and the clock will remain. When there is driving signal input or press any key, it can return to pre-shutdown mode and memorize the values before shutdown. Filled up pointing triangle features. Wireless. Large screen in 2 languages, Chinese or English. Automatic wake up. Light-controlled intelligent backlight. Wire-controlled buttons. Dual battery box design. Mode button touch plus backlight long lighting function. Anti-interference filled up pointing triangle. Do not leave the handlebar with the hands of the wire control key. And switch the function interface at will. When the light line of the light-controlled backlight is dimmed, the backlight automatically lights. Filled up pointing triangle automatic wake-up phone patent technology. Automatic wake-up without losing the riding record. Our fourth product is Cat-Eye Velo wireless programmable odometer and menu screen. Installs easily on almost any bike, including 27.5 and 29 feet. Current, average, maximum speed. Our fifth product is about this item. Rear radar. Warns of vehicles approaching from behind up to 140 meters. Rear light. Visibility in any light condition. Up to 1.6 kilometers away. Up to 16 hours in flashing mode and 6 hours in fixed mode.